Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this fading text that you see on the screen right now. And we're going to go ahead and start in Fusion. Grab a text node. For those of you that don't know me, I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. Can't use my hands and arms. Select the text node, put the text you're liking in. Set your default size, tracking, font, and all that right now. We're going to make a macro at the end, so that'll all be in there. Okay, put your playhead on frame 0. Put the tracking at 1.15. And set a keyframe. I'm on a 30 FPS frame rate, and I'm going to advance 1 second, 30 frames. You may have to adjust accordingly. I'm going to go back to 1.04. Advance 10 frames. Set a keyframe. Advance 1 more second. It's frame 70 for me. And go back to 1.15 tracking. With the text node selected, get a blur. Go to shading. Put your playhead on frame 0 again. Turn the opacity all the way down. Set a keyframe. Take the playhead back to frame 30. Turn the opacity all the way up. Advance 10 frames to 40. Set a keyframe. And then take it to frame 70. Turn the opacity all the way down. Put the playhead back on frame 0. Select the blur. Put it on 18. Set a keyframe. Put the playhead on frame 30. Turn the blur all the way down. Advance 10 frames again. Set a keyframe. Then back to frame 70. And set the blur on 18 again. With the blur node selected, shift space and drop shadow. And select drop shadow, shift space, and keyframe stretcher. We're to stretch our frames between frame 30 and 40. Select the keyframe stretcher. On the stretch start, put 30, stretch end, put 40. Bring your playhead to the end where it starts to dissolve. Then take the source end, rotate the dial to the left. You might have to do this several times. You go to these 3 little dots right here. Turn the checker underlay on. Okay, we'll make the macro. Select them like I did. Make sure you do not glue the media out. Right click on any one of them. Go to macro. Create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. Go to File, Save as Group. It takes you to Macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Titles. Here's where you're going to want to make your folder. Put your preset in. Once again, I recommend naming it different. If it's exactly the same, Resolve won't recognize it. Put an underscore or something in there. I'm going to go find it. Right here. Over in the inspector, you have all the controls you need. I don't have to explain that. They're all self-explanatory. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.